just me. I'm
Saini. Okay. Listen, sorry. I was thinking about it. Sorry. Yeah, I think I'm a loser, bro.
No doubt.
Bye.
Is this? I don't know. Is it what show?
Yeah.
What do you? Okay, you want to talk about it after the show? I don't know what's happening. Somebody, do you want to?
No. I genuinely, I think I'm a loser.
No, Simar, you're not a loser. You're fine. What's happening?
No, you don't get it, bro. Like, I know I'm a loser. I either get my heart broken or I break somebody else's heart. I over-romanticize relationships even before they start. And then I'm too afraid to lose her. But I know I will because I'm a loser.
You'll get past this, you know. Do you want to talk about it after the show? Maybe right now you should focus on the now. This too shall pass somehow.
But you know, when the show is over, nobody has the time. Saini, I hate that we're still trying to rhyme. You know? And also, nobody cares about poetry. It's all a show. And I'm a loser, I know.
You know what? Then I'm the bigger loser.
What?
No, really. I'm so lonely. So lonely. But I won't even get on dating apps. I'm so lost. I can't even be found by Google Maps. Don't laugh. The other day a kid called me auntie. And he wasn't all that wrong. I don't remember the last time I was held. It's been so long. Why is it so difficult to ask for something as basic as affection? I think sometimes the only thing that comes easily to me is rejection.
Saini, yaar.
Perv.
See, I don't even know how to console a friend. And you know, I forget who I am every time a relationship comes to an end.
Well, then I'm the bigger loser.
How?
Because I make everything about myself. Instead of calling up a friend, I turn to my bookshelf.
Dude, I am such a loser. I keep looking for answers in songs. And I'm afraid to admit that love is where my heart belongs.
Well, then I'm the bigger loser. Because I have a bikini I've never worn outside. Hey, true. I hate it that other girls can while I try to hide.
Dude, you know when I was called Kalu when I was a kid. And the bullies got to me no matter what I did.
I was bullied for being overweight. And once a guy laughed at my face when I asked him out on a date.
Dude, I had acne even years after puberty.
And I am accused of cracking jokes that are too dirty.
Saini, you don't get it. People don't take me seriously even when I'm feeling down.
Oh, Simu, do you think it's because you are always acting like a clown?
Maybe.
Honestly, but I don't even feel like a real poet. In fact, I always feel like a scam.
Do you feel awkward when like kids come up to you and say autograph Saini ma'am?
Oh God. Why does a hurt have to be entertaining?
How can we smile when everything is paining?
Why do we have to pay taxes with belly and income?
How can I feel things when my heart is numb?
I often feel cornered for no fault of mine.
If this life has no meaning, how can I feel fine?
I often throw myself a pity party and have no friends to call over.
And I keep looking for answers knowing there will never be closure.
You know, Swiggy discounts excite me more than finding a spouse.
You know, I went back to the girl who broke into my house.
You what?
Yeah, I mean, it was long back, man.
No.
Are it's fine. In her defense.
No, there is no... What?
Are Saini?
One second. You are the bigger loser.
What?
Yes. She broke into your house and you're afraid to lose her?
No, yaar, but it's in the past.
No, you know what, Simar? I think you are the bigger loser. You never comb your hair. You never iron your clothes. You always wear low-waisted pants. And your butt crack shows. Your dad's Sabya's worst nightmare. I think it's only fair to say that you are the bigger loser.
One second. Saini, you never leave your home, then you complain about being alone. You fell in love and then you got ghosted. He cooked you food, but bro, your heart got roasted.
You are such a basic bitch. You make everything about love. Tomorrow there's gonna be a new girl, okay? Stop with all this fuss.
You know, Saini, you can never be vulnerable unless it's through childish rhymes. I feel like you'll find a way to defend yourself even if you commit a crime.
You have nothing original to add to your conversation, so you always conform. You had one job tonight, and all you've done is bomb.
And all you do is talk about the food you make. Your poetry might be profound, but bro, you're kind of fake. And you have a hard time making friends and letting people come close. If you really want to fall in love, Saini, why do you keep going back to your hose?
Simo, I think as a senior here, I think we're projecting our feelings onto each other, yaar. I think we've taken this way too far.
Yeah.
Think about our poor audience members who've been subjected to this bit.
Yeah, man. I mean, in a way, aren't they the real losers? Dude, they paid money for this shit.
Oh, yes! We're not losers. Everyone else is. Not you, Myra.
Everybody is a loser and we were making it our biz.
You know what? Fuck the world. We'll just do our thing.
Dude, you're Saini Raj.
Dude, you're Simmer Singh.
We're not losers. Yes, we're not.
We're not.
We're just lost stars. We'll make it work. We'll put in the hours.
Yes, but not today. Not today.
No.
Not today. Not today. Today we wasted a lot of time.
Yeah.
Yes. So you still have one task left, which is to announce the next act without crying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I think you should leave now.
All right. Ciao.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for your next act?
Simmer.
What?
Simmer and Saini. One second.
क्या है भाई?
कल रात आए मेरे घर दो लूजर आके बोले NCPA में तू शो कर। मैंने बोला टाइम पास न करना बकवास, न करना लिमिट क्रॉस, न करना ऑडियंस से तो डरना। टाइम पास न करना बकवास, न करना लिमिट क्रॉस, न करना ऑडियंस से तो डरना। आज रात आए NCPA में दो लूजर